For a luxury, lightweight fifth wheel, check out this awesome 2018 Arctic Wolf 315 TBH8 from Lakeshore RV. This large fifth wheel offers sleeping accommodations for up to 10 people and an awesome exterior camp kitchen. The power patio awning has a nice LED light strip. The large radius luggage doors lock for security. The 3 slide-out rooms have oversized panoramic windows for a great view. And when you open the exterior kitchen, you'll see a fridge, sink, and storage cabinets. For safety, this unit is equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system that alerts you to tire issues before they become a hazard. When you step inside, you'll see a deep living room slide-out that houses the booth-style dinette and the sofa. The dinette table lowers so that it can be used as a bed, and there are easy-reach storage compartments underneath the benches. The adjacent sofa folds down into a bed as well. Upgraded window treatments and wall sconces give the interior a residential feel. The fully equipped kitchen has lovely blue LED under-cabinet lighting and cabinet doors with decorative glass inserts. Your little campers will love sleeping under the stars in their very own bunkhouse that has multiple bunks, a jackknife sofa, and great storage. A half bath is located right next to the bunkhouse and has its own entrance from outside the unit. In the front master bath, you'll see a corner shower with glass doors and a great vanity with mirror and outlets. The master bedroom is designed for comfort with a queen bed lift system, overhead reading lights, and slide-out wardrobe with built-in drawers. Shop online at lakeshore-rv.com. With virtual tours, videos, and photo galleries, you're sure to find your perfect RV at the lowest price, guaranteed. Want a more personal touch? Call us at 231-760-8805, where our friendly and knowledgeable staff will help you get an amazing deal on the RV of your dreams.